glistening with the morning dew. This fruit represents weeks of careful cultivation.
You have to cut it clean right at the base, like this. Then you move quickly to the next one.
The harvest demands precision and strength. Every pineapple is inspected before it leaves the field.
The skillful hands of the workers ensured every pineapple is harvested with care, continuing a timeless tradition.
All right, swing it over the edge.
Careful now, let them roll out gently.
Every pineapple must be placed just so. Protecting the crowns is essential for the long journey to market.
The harvest secured, the long journey to the factory begins.
The contrast between the organic harvest and the precision of the industrial process is where true efficiency is found.
Easy, easy now. Keep coming back. All right, hold it right there. All right, bring it up slowly. We got a full load here.
This spectacular avalanche marks the official entry into the factory's state-of-the-art processing system. Here in the flume, the pineapples are guided through the washing system, a seamless integration of water and mechanics.
The nylon bristles scrub the tough skins before a battery of high-pressure sprayers ensures the fruit is pristine.
This automated intake system ensures every pineapple is perfectly washed as it moves from the flume to the processing line.
While the line is automated, the human eye remains essential. These skilled workers inspect every pineapple.
That one's no good, toss it. We need to keep the line moving.
Using a series of diverging steel arms, the machine sorts the fruit by diameter with rhythmic precision. A heavy steel chain forces the fruit into the rapidly spinning blades, shearing the rind seamlessly. The cylindrical blade shears the tough outer rind, revealing the golden fruit beneath. A secondary tube then... Here we see the rapid-fire guillotine blades simultaneously severing the crown and base, leaving only the perfect hollow tube.
The synchron flow carries the fruit into the automated chamber. Spinning at high speed, the blades precisely segment the cylinders into uniform rings.
The precision slicer ensures that every golden ring is perfectly uniform. The momentum keeps them stacked until the vibrator engages.
Despite the machinery, the meticulous work of the team is essential for absolute perfection.
The precision trimming removes any remaining imperfections before the rings move on to the rinsing stage.
Under gentle misters, the fruit is channeled into single file, ready for the thousands of cans waiting above.
This is a fluid dance of steel and fruit. The engineering is highly organic, operating at dizzying speed. The rings are flawlessly guided into the aluminum can before moving to the syrup station. Here,
Moving with mesmerizing uniformity, the cans are precisely aligned, capturing the natural industrial flow of the packaging process.
As the cans reach the seaming machine, a perfectly round tin lid is magnetically dropped. Instantly, the spinning rollers.
The mesmerizing flow of silver metal moves relentlessly towards the retorts, a testament to modern industrial efficiency.
Gently swept into a rhythmic procession, the cans enter the pasteurization chamber, where thick plumes of steam ensure sterilization.
The pasteurization chamber uses intense heat to ensure the product is safe and the seal is airtight. This tunnel represents the massive thermal and mechanical energy required to safely preserve these golden rings for a global market. Emerging from the steam tunnel, the cans are instantly blasted with icy water. This dramatic temperature shock stops the cooking process immediately.
The cooling water leaves the cans glistening, but the high-velocity air knives ensure they are perfectly dry for labeling.
The process relies on precision engineering. High-velocity air dries the metal instantly before a flawless. The vibrant yellows and greens speed down the line, a testament to modern efficiency. The robotic arm.
After folding, the hot melt glue sealer secures the flaps before the inkjet applies the crucial lot number and expiration date. In this massive warehouse, automation handles the heavy lifting with surprising grace.
Here we see the mathematical perfection of the automated logistics, a seamless blend of robotic strength and precise control.
This state-of-the-art facility processes thousands of cases an hour, ensuring precision from the robotic arm to the final stretch wrap.
Once cleared for shipping, this pallet will be loaded and sent to supermarkets worldwide, showcasing the precision of modern logistics.
Revealing the staggering scale of the global food supply chain, the continuous journey begins.
Mesmerizing kaleidoscopic effect as the fresh crowns are carried by the churning flume, highlighting the blend of nature and industry.
This steady, churning motion perfectly illustrates the gentle methods used to propel tons of fresh produce through the network.
Here, human craftsmanship takes over. The pineapples are quickly inspected for any signs of rot or damage before moving on.
Deep within the complex underbelly, the massive, grease-coated drive gear powers the relentless coring mechanisms above. The massive drive gear spins relentlessly, powering the coring shaft with violent efficiency. This secondary line transports the organic waste towards the giant grinding machine, fulfilling the factory's commitment to total utilization and
After peeling, the golden cylinders are subjected to intense scrutiny by the high-speed optical sorters, ensuring only the finest quality.
Advanced computer optics maintain absolute quality control, swiftly rejecting imperfect cylinders before the manual trimming phase.
With surgical precision, she seamlessly returns the perfected cylinder to the main conveyor, a blend of human expertise and automated flow.
Here we see the mesmerizing geometric perfection of the solid tube being instantly divided into a dozen identical rings. The freshly sliced rings move onto the inspection belt, illuminated from below to reveal their perfect, translucent quality. You have to feel for the imperfections the eye might miss. It's all about the texture.
The rotary canning machine operates with flawless mechanical precision. Intricate, spring-loaded plungers gently.
Here we see the precise moment where technology meets the harvest, preserving the vibrant fruit for the seasons ahead. The heavy syrup fills every microscopic void, ensuring perfect consistency in every can. Capturing the moment the heavy syrup fills every void within the can, the camera tracks the brimming can as it passes over a subtle vibrating plate. Once sealed,
The cans are checked for seam integrity and exact weight to ensure consistent quality. Ensuring the crimped metal seam meets safety tolerances is a vital, grounded moment amidst the automation. Once loaded, the heavy crane descends, carefully guided by the operator, lifting the massive basket towards the sterilization chambers. Once loaded, the massive steel door must be secured, a testament to human strength against industrial might.
He seals the chamber, and as the pressure builds from the live steam, the sterilization of the golden rings begins.
Sterilized in the retort, the searing hot cans are immediately transferred to the cooling canal, a necessary shock that creates this dramatic burst of steam.
Submerged in the cooling canal, the rapid temperature drop creates a vacuum, causing the distinct metallic pinging sound as the cans seal. This rapid cooling and drying process is essential before the cans move on to labeling. It's a critical control point for quality.
The star wheel mechanism guides the cans with incredible precision.
The seamless integration of human oversight and robotic precision ensures that every product arrives safely, untouched, and on time.
Efficiency is key here. She expertly navigates the massive warehouse, ensuring the shipment
From the processing plant to the open road, this cargo is now ready for global distribution.
Avian. The journey of the pineapple begins here, traveling vast distances from the tropical source to the bustling.
Carefully crafted and delivered fresh, you can find the authentic taste of the coast right here in the aisle. From the vibrant fields where it's grown, straight to your table, we ensure the freshest taste in every can.